Oh.
Here we are, Periscope, Tommy Ascara, Mio Nishida.
We're here.
Hey guys, what's up? We just arrived in LA, California. LA, California. God, my hair's so short, it's weird.
Hi, Kai.
Hi.
Diana.
Here we are, guys, back in LA. We're here, we're ready to, eat food and shop. Heyo, heyo. Okay, yeah.
Kami din. Mama.
Hi.
Like.
Anong oras na mo dito? 6:40 di ba? Tama?
Tama. Bilis yung lumabas Bilis yung lumabas. Yeah. Yung dumating yung 5:40. Dumating.
5? Eh di mabilis po kami?
Ang bilis yung lumabas. Yeah. Yeah. Mami. 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 Mami.
Hey guys, here I am, Tommy Ascara. We're at the airport, we just arrived. I'm so excited to show Mio all the food places, in and out. Hey, it's Jen. What? What did you come from? Hey, baby. How are you? Mwah.
You go next to me. Hello, kamusta?
Hey, baby. You're so beautiful. I miss you. Where are you?
Isa pa?
Meron flash? Meron flash, ma'am?
Oo. Oo, may flash. It's good! Tingnan mo!
Ah, it is good.
Oh, no. Dati mo! Huwag mo akong tawa. Sorry. Alam naman. Wala tinawanan talaga niya.
Who's that? What's your name?
This is Jasmine. We met at the Shaved Ice meet and greet the other day at Kanakai Shaved Ice. And Jasmine was so cute, but I swear to
How
God,
old are you, Jasmine?
7.
7.
Yeah,
like Kiana.
she grew so much. Last time she was only like this tall, and now she's like here. It's crazy.
Kilala mo si Miranda?
Hindi po. Kaya nga, alam niyo po, magsabi ako ng totoo na nasira po yung pangalan ko.
Mga fancy Tommy nandito. Hello.
Here we are in California. Hey guys, met some amazing people. Excited to try the food.
Hi, Mama.
Hi,
Kamusta biyahe?
mabuti naman.
Yeah, welcome back home.
Okay.
Hey, Michael. Say hi to your fans, Michael.
Hi guys.
Hi, Canada. It's my friend Bookie. He's single.
No, I'm not.
No, he's not. He's married.
My wife will get on you. Go to Miho. Yeah. We are Periscope. We are Periscope family reunion. Family reunion Periscope. At long lasting.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Have a great trip in California. Be careful.
You live over here or?
I used to, but now I live. Yeah.
I think
Hindi.
Nalalamig.
Nakismile lang po kasi.
Nalalamigan ka? Malamig ba?
Ano mo?
Sabi niya sa akin, sabihin mo sa family. They were having a private conversation. Sabi niyo, first time.
Sa Philippines. Next time, next Christmas. Okay. Take care, guys. Here we are, guys.
Are you on, are you on Periscope too?
Yes, I am.
Tommy's on Periscope too. This is me. Hello.
We're periscoping together, guys. It's Periscoception. Paris.
You're gonna leave me and go to you.
Periscoception. Here we are, guys. Wow, 372. My father's more famous than me.
No, because they were following me first. Sabay-sabay.
Yeah, we're so excited, guys.
Garcia. You know her, 101%.
Not in person.
No, you know her, promise.
But-
Yeah, she
You
works
know her
at
ex.
737.
You know her ex. You know her ex.
her
You're talking about Maurice.
Yeah.
Senior Maurice.
Promise.
Senior Maurice.
You know her.
I met her.
Nana. Hi.
Okay. Send it to her because you know what? She needs to and then you put that to her job.
That's good. No, I don't need to know. I just know.
Kaya, alam ko,
Hello. I'm here. Ako may hawak ng camera. Michael's over there. Sikat na to si Michael eh.
Ah?
Mas sikat ata si Michael kaysa sa
Oo.
amin.
Ano mo man, dami naghahanap sa kanya. Ang dami niya ng fans. Ang dami
See?
niyang fans eh. Kaya nga sabi ko eh, marami ka ng fans doon ha.
My biggest fan, my mom.
Mama niya.
Tomiho.
Kaya kailangan magpakatino na siya. Red bet na.
Here we are logging in LA. We're still at the airport.
Oh, good.
Nandiyan na yung kanina, ganun rin. Nung pupunta na kami ng airport, nagkakagulo.
Oo, ganda na naman. Sa plane din.
Eh, naku, wait, maya doon sa airplane, sa airport. May mga babae doon. Pati may mga dala-dalang bagahe na.
Aha.
Picture.
PBB. PBB Airport Edition. PBB.
I'm gonna stop it now.
No, let's keep it going. We're periscoping, aren't we? This is like, I mean, unless we're talking to someone, but I like this. Like, let's have the kids. Hey, Kai, can you be my photographer?
That's what I meant. Yeah,
Oh
but
my
you know what I
God.
feel like?
You go around. You double tap. Double tap it. And then it puts it on your face. Double tap it. It goes the other way. So me, Miho, the family.
How do I take a picture?
No, it's live. Look, look. People are talking to you right now. Look, say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Guys, say hi to my brother. Look, hello, Kai. Hi, Kai. Hello, Kai. Look, they're watching right
How many?
Hi, Kai.
Dito na po ba kayo nakatira?
Sino ka?
Hi, I'm Joanne. Sino ka? Sino ka? Wala, joke lang. Yung chika-chika lang.
Hindi si Miranda.
Hindi po ako si Miranda, si Joanne po ako ha. Hello po. Okay, nandito ko na pa-park. First step. Paano? Putin na din. Kasi nakita ko yung sa video. O yun, o yun. Sabi na anak. Saka malapit ka lang dito sa akin. Oh my God.
Okay, let's go. Uwi na tayo. I know.
Uy, nag-message ako.
We're moving. Going to the car. Hello. Bagal nila. Going to our car. Kotse namin. Where'd you park? Right there? Yeah, that's fine.
Right upstairs.
Okay. Shoot. Wanna bring it down? Over here? Wanna bring it down over here? Or do you want the other?
I didn't bring any money with me for the parking.
Oh no, we'll give it to you.
So, how much is parking?
I'll give it
You
to
don't
you.
use my card.
I'll give you about $5 bucks. Okay.
I'll bring back. I'll come down.
Okay. He's upstairs, so you can bring the car down. You gonna bring it up? I'll bring it down? Alright.
Hold this real fast. So I could,
Hi, people.
She took me home. Go over there with Miho and Joanne. Stay here. We're getting the van here.
Stay here or go there?
You go there. Leave the stuff here. Go.
I want to see Tommy.
She's got this.
I'm going.
Mom, kung gusto mo, pasok ka na dun sa kotse namin. Ayun yung kotse namin. Isang van.
We'll be back. We're gonna load up the van. Bye. We'll live stream in the van. Mamaya. Okay? Bye. Babalik kami.